Hi there, Amanda from Lighthouse.io here. If you watched our videos on why we use templates and creating a new template, you'll remember that when we left off, we created an issue template. You may also recall that issues are things that can happen at any time and place, whereas tasks are repeatable activities associated with a particular action or context. For example, if I'm a janitor, I may need to perform a restroom log every time I enter a restroom. Now, you may have a large workforce across lots of different locations, and your requirements may vary by your customers, what state you're in, or even by the particular site. So, our goal now is to make things super simple for our employees by assigning them only the tasks that are relevant to them. I do this by going into the Task tab and selecting New Task. I can give my task a name. So say this is for the ABC shopping mall, and this is a restroom log just for the food court. I select the template associated with this. So I want to use my restroom log template. And if this is something that I want all of my users to have, I can just click save and it will now be assigned to my app. However, what if the task is only relevant to certain locations and zones? So in that case, I can specify the locations that I want to receive it and thereby restrict the task list only to users at those sites. In this case, I only want my shopping malls to see it. I can go a step further to prioritize which task my employee is going to see first based on where they are at that location. So since this one is a food court restroom task, I'm going to go ahead and just select my zones in the food court. Once I click save, this task list is going to be assigned to that location and it's automatically going to appear in the employee app. Let's take a look at that. I'm going to open my app here, navigate to my tasks module, and I can see the ABC Food Court restroom log I've just completed in my nearby tasks list. I'm going to select that task template and I can select which activities I've completed. And I'll hit submit. Now, once I submit this task list, two things are going to happen. Here in my app, I can navigate into recent activity and I can see that Amanda Darcy just completed a food court task list. If I go into that, I can see which activities are just completed. And this is also going to send a record back to our reports in our console. So all of your task lists are now saved in a central location. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. You can learn more about tasks in the templates tutorial. And if you're curious what happens to the task once it's been submitted, check out our tutorial about understanding reports. Thanks for watching.